Get ready for a reptile adventure. Let's discover some amazing reptiles from around the world. This is a crocodile. It lives in and around rivers and wetlands.
This is an alligator. It often lives in freshwater wetlands.
This is a painted turtle. Its hard shell helps protect its body. This is a red-footed tortoise. Unlike most turtles, tortoises spend most of their time on land.
This is a lizard. Lizards come in many different shapes, sizes, and colors. This is a Jackson's chameleon. Some chameleons can change their colors. The crested gecko, native to New Caledonia, uses specialized pads on its feet and tail to navigate this lush environment. This is an iguana. It is a reptile commonly found in warm regions. This is a Komodo dragon. It is the largest living lizard.
This is a Burmese python. Burmese pythons are large snakes found in warm regions.
This is a Boa Constrictor. It is a large snake that lives in the Americas.
This is a cobra. Cobras are snakes found across parts of Africa and Asia.
This is a rattlesnake. It has a special rattle at the end of its tail.
This is a caiman. Caimans are reptiles that live mostly in freshwater habitats.
This is a monitor lizard. Monitor lizards can be found in Africa, Asia, and Australia.
And this is a sea turtle. It spends most of its life in the ocean.
This is a bearded dragon. It is a lizard native to Australia.
This is an anole. It is a small lizard that lives mainly in warm regions.
This is a garter snake. It is a common snake found across parts of North America.
This is a snapping turtle. It lives in freshwater habitats.
Let's remember some reptiles: saltwater crocodile, green sea turtle, veiled chameleon, common green iguana,
Fantastic job! You learned so many amazing reptiles today. Thanks for learning with us. See you next time.